Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session on the mode of articulation in English. My name is Binoy and I run a course called My Sound. My Sound is a course designed specifically for children in grades 4 to 9 to improve their English speaking skills. Now, let's delve into the topic, the mode of articulation. The mode of articulation refers to how the airflow is manipulated as it moves through the vocal tract to produce different speech sounds. This involves various parts of the mouth, including tongue, lips, and glottis. Let's start with stops or plosives. These sounds are produced by completely blocking the airflow and then releasing it suddenly. Examples include p as in pat, t as in top, and k as in cat. Notice how the airflow is momentarily stopped before it's released. Cat, pat, top, tidy, public, catchy. Next, we have fricatives, which are created by narrowing the airflow passage, causing friction. Examples include f, f as in fan, s, s as in see, and sh, sh as in she. Here, the airflow is never completely stopped, but instead squeezed through a narrow space. Now, affricates. Affricates are a combination of stops and fricatives. They begin with a complete blockage of airflow, like stops, but release into a fricative. Examples: as in chocolate, 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 or j, j as in judge. It's a combination of d sound and r sound. D and r. Ch is a combination of t and sh sound. So, next one is nasals. Nasals are produced by redirecting the airflow through the nose. Example: come on, keep your finger near to your nose and feel the air coming out from the nose, okay? As in man. As in no. As in sing, sing. The mouth is closed, okay? And the sound resonates through the nasal cavity. The air is coming out from the nose. So that sound is called nasal sound. Next one is liquids and glides, sometimes called approximants. It involves minimal obstruction of airflow. Liquids include l as in light and r as in right. Glides, also known as semi-vowels, include ya, ya, yes, and wa, wa, we. These sounds are smoother and flow more freely than other consonants. To master these sounds, pay close attention to how your mouth, tongue, and airflow work together. Practice by isolating each sound and feeling the movement and airflow involved. Understanding the mode of articulation helps your child become more aware of how different sounds are produced, leading to more accurate pronunciation and speaking skills. Thank you for joining me today. Keep inspiring your child to practice these modes of articulation